because everywhere I go in Jamaica, and every day I talk to my Jamaican fellow friends here online, I'm back here in Canada, they beg and beg and beg, and me can't take it no more. When I'm there in Jamaica, I get my shoes begged off my feet, my clothes begged off my back. I take suitcases of everything over. I come back with nothing. My suitcases are empty because I just give.
Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fine. Now there is this specific video about this white lady who is going viral for calling Jamaica a begging country, and she says that 90% of Jamaicans are beggars, and she gives her reasons and instances. So let's watch this video, then have a quick discussion about it at the end of it. Thank you so much.
Hi there everybody. I just want to make this quick short video. Don't want to waste anybody's time, just want to get straight to the point. A little backup here, just so you know. I have been traveling Jamaica for the past 18 years, lived there for many years, traveled the whole island, every parish by foot. There's nothing I don't know about Jamaica. Best place on earth. I love everything about Jamaica. I love the people, the vibes, the culture, the music, the food. My list is endless. I even have the tattoo on my back of the map and the flag. Back to my point. There's only one little thing that I can't stand. And not every Jamaican does this, but I would say about 90%, if we want to put a percent on it. Because everywhere I go in Jamaica, and every day I talk to my Jamaican fellow friends here online, I'm back here in Canada, they beg and beg and beg, and me can't take it no more. When I'm there in Jamaica, I get my shoes begged off my feet, my clothes begged off my back. I take suitcases of everything over. I come back with nothing. My suitcases are empty because I just give, and sometimes I can't say no. But now I'm exhausted from it. I'm begged every day for credit. Send me credit. Send me your phone. Send me money so I can do my visa application. Send me money so I can start up my business. Me have no money for food. Me have to buy medicine. You know what? If I was a rich woman, I would send it all. But I can't. And you know what? The worst part about people that beg and when they get something, they're so ungrateful. They don't even say thank you. They don't appreciate it. I'm a very giving person. I love to give, don't get me wrong. And I have given to the point where I've had nothing left of my own. But I can't do it anymore. There's a lot of Jamaican people all over the world working hard and they send money back home. But it feels like they don't get appreciated either. It's rough. Just please, it's rough everywhere. Everywhere you go, people are struggling. It's hard in Canada. It's hard in America. It's hard everywhere. All I ask is please stop the begging. Just make an honest paycheck. Do what you have to do. Struggle like the rest of us. Just work. It's tough. We know that. Love you, all of you. Trust me, I do. Just please, the begging has to stop because we can't take it no more. One love, stay blessed, and thank you.
It is actually not in order to call a whole population of 2-point-something millions beggars. However much she says that she agrees the fact that a smaller percentage of 10 or 9% of Jamaicans work hard, and the rest, I mean 90%, are lazy and beggars. I should actually know where she gets all these stats, because it is so out of order when someone comes out and builds stereotypes when she actually maybe experienced this with 1 or 2 people on her social media account or physically. You can't come out with allegations or call out a whole group of people beggars when maybe 2 or 3 people came to your account or to you personally begging or asking for assistance. Now, we all know that these are stereotypes that the white people have in mind when addressing the black people. They always know that we are poor and all we do is beg for their help, beg for their aid from their government and from their rich people. Now, it is not actually good to see this narrative being propelled by the people themselves. Now, I don't get the love. She says she loves Jamaican. Jamaicans, and she has been to Jamaica several times, and she feels like connected with the people of Jamaica. How can she do such a video when she says she's connected to the people of Jamaica? However much I know, every country has beggars. Not even in the United States, they are beggars, but they keep them off camera. You will never see their streets being broadcasted about the things that happen there. Now, there is this single channel that I've been watching of an African, of a black guy from Africa who is in the US. He goes in these streets and exposes them out, and they're not happy about it. When you go and read the comments down below his posts, you will see how much they come after him. Now, this has always been the case when they try addressing when they try talking about the black countries, that's the Caribbean and Africa. All they say is negative things. Now, we all know that these other countries, that they do not want to talk about their countries, they are beggars too. It is not in order. Do she feed the 90% of the Jamaicans that she talks about? Where did she get the stats that 90% of Jamaicans are lazy and are beggars? I know Jamaica is made up of a group of so many individuals who work hard to see their children go to school, who work hard to have a meal on the table, who work hard to achieve a dream that they once had in their lives. But in all these, there are atrocities, there are problems. So maybe someone might be stuck in life and wants assistance. It doesn't mean she or he is a beggar. At a point, we human beings tend to lack some things. In that case, it means we are not complete. You might have this, and I like it. So at a point, I might come to you and say, brother, sister, please help this. Help me in this, solving this, or help me in achieving this, in reciprocating this. Maybe one day or one time, I'll do the same to you. So this does not necessarily mean that I'm a beggar. It's because I lack something that you have. I think you have. There are so many people in this hard economy in Jamaica. They are doing all they can to survive. Sometimes people go without food, but they have to wake up early and go and work hard so that they achieve, so that they get whatever they don't have, so that they put a smile on their children and their wives. But in all this mixed up, there is this one single lady who comes out to say Jamaicans are beggars. I do not agree with her. I totally disagree with her. I might want to know where she gets all the statistics, that 90% and 10%. Where did she? Does it mean the whole of Jamaican population is made up of poor people? No, hell no. Jamaica is a good country with people who are working hard to pay their taxes to make sure their country achieves new levels. Now, this actually means a lot. This actually says whatever they've been thinking about us all this time. And it is high time we, the people, stand up and rebuke these people who are trying to paint a bad picture about our black countries. This notion, this narrative has actually been propelled from their governments, from their ancestors, that black people are beggars and they are lazy, they can't work. Who worked in their plantations whenever they wanted slaves? They came to Africa. Who worked for them? Who made sure that the industrial revolution that happened in Europe was actually propelled by black people? They actually gave the labor that was needed for this industrial revolution to take place. It is the hard work of the people, of the black people, who are taken to their plantations, to their sugar plantations, tea plantations, to make sure that their countries achieve economic stability. Now, the same people now come to us and say we are beggars. the black people are beggars. I don't want to take this the wrong way, but I think it is high time that I do not agree with her. She might have a point, yes, but I do not agree with her, because I know, come to Africa, go to these black countries, my friend, you will agree with me, these people work their asses out to survive, because the Western countries have already destroyed our economies, and all we are left out is to pay taxes that go back to pay their loans that our countries take from them. When our leaders are in bed with their government, they spend all the pennies that we pay to go to visit them. So they work for them. They are the ones who have actually destroyed our economy. So they have no right, god damn it, to address us in a manner in which they think they are right. We all need to respect each other. Let's respect our boundaries, and it is high time we call out these bad, let me say, bad manners out. These, I don't know how to put it, but I don't want to take it to that extreme level. But whatever I say, I won't agree with her. I'll never agree with her on this. Every country has beggars. Every country has poor and rich people and middle class people. So it is not in order to classify a country as beggars. So I think it is high time she comes out and apologizes to Jamaicans, because she says she loves Jamaicans and she has been to Jamaica for several times. This is high time she comes out and apologizes. Thank you so much for having taken your time to watch this video. If it's the first time, please leave a comment. Thank you so much, and subscribe. Bye.